The 2025 Toyota Crown is redefining what it means to drive a luxury sedan. With its bold, premium design and innovative hybrid technology, this vehicle delivers a driving experience that's both powerful and refined. From the moment you see it, the sleek silhouette and sculpted lines stand out, especially in the striking black finish. Its presence is unmistakable, modern, commanding, and elegant. Step around to the front and you're greeted by a wide, aggressive grille flanked by sharp, futuristic LED headlights. The new Crown badge sits proudly at the center, symbolizing a fresh identity for Toyota's flagship sedan. Every detail up front speaks to precision and power. From the side, the Crown maintains a graceful flow, riding on eye-catching alloy wheels that elevate its sporty yet sophisticated stance. It sits slightly higher than traditional sedans, blending the presence of a crossover with the poise of a luxury car. The chrome accents and flush door handles add a touch of refinement that reflects the Crown's premium direction. At the rear, the 2025 Crown continues to impress. A full-width LED light bar connects the taillights, while clean lines and dual exhaust elements give the back end a strong, modern finish. The Crown lettering stretches across the trunk, replacing the Toyota badge, asserting its unique position in the lineup. Open the door and the cabin welcomes you with high-end materials, a minimalist dashboard, and advanced tech. Black leather seats with contrast stitching offer comfort and support, while ambient lighting creates a serene driving environment. At the center is a large touchscreen interface with Toyota's latest infotainment system, featuring voice controls, smartphone integration, and cloud-based navigation. The driver's cockpit is focused and futuristic. A fully digital instrument panel provides all the information you need, and the multifunction steering wheel puts control at your fingertips. There's a quiet confidence in the layout. Every button, every screen, every surface feels deliberate. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Crown is powered by a high-performance hybrid system, combining efficiency with responsive acceleration. Whether you choose the standard hybrid or the turbocharged Hybrid Max version, the Crown delivers smooth, confident power with excellent fuel economy. It's a car that glides through city streets and cruises effortlessly on the highway. Toyota has also equipped the Crown with the latest safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a surround view camera system. It's designed to protect and assist, giving you peace of mind every time you drive. The 2025 Toyota Crown isn't just a new model, it's a new chapter. It blends elegance and innovation, comfort and performance, tradition and transformation. Whether you're behind the wheel or admiring it from afar, the Crown makes a statement.